Hi everyone, my name is Fallon, and I'm going to show you how everything you've just heard is operationalized on the Replicats review platform that you'll be using to assess papers. Here is the main page of our platform, and you should select Smart Preprints. Once you complete your login, you will be ported to the home page, which you can see here. On this screen, you will only see the papers assigned to your group available for you to assess. On the top right of the screen, you will see the avatar you have been assigned. Mine says Fallon, but yours will be an Australian animal, for example, kangaroo 123. All your judgments in the platform will be made and displayed using this avatar, and it is through this avatar that you can preserve your anonymity during discussion. As you've just heard, we use a structured group elicitation approach called the IDEA protocol, which has a round one, where you make initial judgments, and then a discussion phase, followed by an opportunity for you to revise or update your estimate, or what we call a round two. So first, I'm going to show you what round one looks like. When evaluating papers, we ask you to make a series of judgments about a single central claim made in the paper. In round one, on the left-hand panel, you will see the information available to you, which includes some paper-level information, such as the abstract, and a link to the full text for the paper. You will also see the inferential claim we are asking you to evaluate and the statistical data reported in the paper that supports the claim, if available. On the right-hand panel are the questions themselves, and this is where you enter your estimates and reasoning. You will see here a stationary question navigation panel showing you the number of questions. This panel is interactive. Clicking on a number will take you to that specific question. We recommend you work through the questions in the order presented, from 1 through to 7. For each question, where we are asking for reasoning, you will see grayed out placeholder text with information for answering that question. So for example, for comprehensibility, we ask you to restate the claim of this paper in your own words. Each question has a tooltip. You can hover over the tooltip and it will provide guidance or further clarification for that question. At any time, you can also access more extensive guidance via the Resources tab on the top bar, which will open to the Replicats website. And as you can see, there is a lot of additional information available to support you answering every question. Returning to the platform, as you work through each question, you will see that you can save your responses as you go. You don't have to, but we recommend that you do so you don't lose any information that you have already entered, should your browser crash, for example. For questions 2 through to 6, you will see there are no text boxes. This is because we want you to put all of your reasoning in this text box after question 7. You can use the navigation panel to get to question 7 to make any comments and then return to the question that you are working on. Until you have completed all of the questions, you will not be able to submit and proceed to round 2. This is the round 1 user interface. Once you have submitted round 1 questions, you are ready for discussion and to enter your round 2 judgments. Back on the home screen, you can easily see which papers are ready for you to enter your round 2 judgment. It will say round 2 here. You can also use this little ball to view the progress for the rest of your group. For example, here. Let's now very briefly take a look at a round 2 interface. As you can see, the round 2 interface displays much in the same way, except for a few key differences. In round 2, there are now 3 adjustable panels. The leftmost panel will still show you the paper information. The middle panel shows you your group responses for each question, as well as an aggregated response, before displaying the round 2 response boxes. The rightmost panel will display detail and reasoning where available for that question. So, for example, you can see each participant's restating of the claim for this particular paper. In preparation for your group discussion, your facilitator will give you time to review your group's round 1 responses. After discussion, you will be able to enter your round 2 estimates to complete evaluation of the paper. You cannot see it here because I'm in a special view, but there will be space for you to enter your round 2 estimates under each question. Now I'm just going to leave you with a few extra things you might find helpful. A reminder at any time you can click on the links in the static top bar to access resources. There's also a Contact Us button that will trigger a web form. You can use that form to troubleshoot, report an error or a breach in the code of conduct. For in-person workshops, we recommend that you use your facilitator or reach out to a Replicats coordinator in the first instance. Finally, and this is important, the Replicats platform has been optimized for Google Chrome. So we strongly recommend you use Chrome to work through your papers. Good luck, and thanks for listening.